Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Assalamualaikum. Good evening. Nag-enjoy ba ang mga kababayan ko sa Christmas nila? Masya Allah. I'm so sorry po kasi hindi po kami po mga irespeto lang natin, okay? Hindi po kami nagka-Christmas, okay? Yeah, yan po ang ano namin. But nag-enjoy po lahat ang mga kababayan ko, mga followers ko, mga viewers ko po sa mga nila, Christmas nila. Masya Allah, Masya Allah. Good afternoon. Assalamualaikum. Hi Asal. Jay. Janet. Hello sis. Janet. Hello. Good evening. Magla-live lang ako saglit. Hi. Ansari. Hi. Assalamualaikum Ansari. Sheikh. Hi. Assalamualaikum Ansari. Alaikumussalam. Muhasin. Hi Muhasin. Kaya kulo daman kois. Mag-live lang ako saglit mga kababayan ko, mga viewers. Assalamualaikum. Good evening, pretty sis. Janet. What's out, Janet? From Philippines, I think. Ikaw po ang unang Pilipinong pumasok sa live ko. Thank you po, Janet. Assalamualaikum, habibi. Kulo daman kois. Kefek. Good night, ma'am. Okay. Good evening talaga sa Pilipinas. Saglit lang po ako magla-live. Nasa, good morning. Good afternoon. Alshan. Assalamualaikum Ashan. Alaikumussalam. I'm so sorry guys. Marami pong nag-PM sa akin. More people they said they want my the inbox me, they said they want my WhatsApp, everything, my numbers, but I cannot upload, I cannot give my number. So sorry guys, okay? I am married, I respect my husband, okay? I cannot give my numbers. I'm so sorry. People too much, they said I want to get your WhatsApp, I will call you, like blah blah kida, but I'm so sorry guys, I cannot give my numbers. That's my privacy, okay? I'm malis. Even my followers, we love you guys. Kan Islam, assalamualaikum. Haji Amik, assalamualaikum. Alaikumussalam. Good afternoon time. Yes, in happy Friday. Happy Friday ngayon. Assalamualaikum Samman. So cute. Ahmad, thank you. I'm not cute. Sukran, we love you all, okay? Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa Christmas ninyo, mga followers and viewers. Pa-shout out po pa Sinaida, shout out. Muhammad Hussein, assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam. Hello madam, kasi soon. Waalaikumsalam, alam. I'm so sorry, okay? Too much people, they inbox me, they want my numbers, but I cannot give. Wala. I respect my husband, okay? I hope you understand. I cannot give my numbers, okay? Too much people, okay? Too much my followers. They want my numbers, but I cannot give. Wala. Malis. Assalamualaikum. Francis Hamaya